morning to all. I am Jivika from 9th Moon and today we are going to perform an activity of speech conversion. Now I am calling the name of some students to give the answer of the question.